Crazy Chef, big vibe today. Vibe. So, being a chef is not always about cooking, making dishes, writing recipes. Today, I gotta do some cleaning. So today I'm gonna clean my oven. I'm gonna bring it from this to this. And what I'm gonna use to do that is this, get it focused, and this, and this, a little H2O. So, big vibe. Let's get into the vibe. Smash that like button. So, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this magic degreaser. That's it. And I'm gonna spray my oven. Then I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes. So spray the grill, spray the oven. I'm gonna spray the base of the oven. You gotta get it all the way in the back. And I'm gonna leave it. So that's how it looked after I sprayed it. I got it all in there. So I'm gonna leave this for 15 minutes, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish the job. So with a little grease police, some water, a rag, and a little bit of scrubbing, this is what it came out to. Hit that like button. If it's your first time here, hit that red subscribe button. Crazy Chef, big vibe.